Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I've got a story that's as thrilling as it is alarming. So, buckle up. In September 2023, a Chinese state-aligned espionage group, known as Mustang Panda, made headlines by exploiting a vulnerability in Microsoft's popular source code editor, Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. For those not in the know, VS Code is a favorite among developers worldwide. A security researcher uncovered a way attackers could manipulate VS Code's tunnel feature to gain access to a target's environment. Initially, this technique was used for red teaming, which is essentially simulated attacks to test security. But Mustang Panda had other plans. They weaponized this method in an espionage attack against a Southeast Asian government entity. Here's how it works. To pull off this attack, the hackers need prior code execution privileges on the target machine. Once they have that, they can turn VS Code into a reverse shell. Imagine VS Code becoming a secret doorway for remote control of the compromised system. Spooky, right? Security experts are on high alert. They recommend limiting or blocking VS Code on non-developer endpoints and reducing exposure to VS Code tunnel domains. The idea is to make this attack vector as narrow as possible. Organizations should also be on the lookout for indicators of compromise, or IOCs, to catch any suspicious activity early. So, there you have it. A brilliant tool turned into a weapon of espionage. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep those systems secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge tech stories. Catch you next time.